Hi guys! Students who have started preparing for IPMAT already know how challenging the exam could be. Itne sare concepts, tricks and shortcuts and like a million practice questions could be a little intimidating. Now the purpose of this video is not to demotivate you or give you an exit from hard work, but to make you realize the importance of a backup plan and what to do when nothing's working in your favor. I am Parnika, a second year IPM student at IIM Ranchi, and I'm here to help you find good alternatives to IPMAT. Apart from the 5 IIMs that provide IPM course, there are few other institutes and colleges that do the same. The foremost one being Indian Institute of Foreign Trade or IFT Kakinada. They also provide IPM course with BBA in Business Analytics plus MBA in International Business. IFT is a fairly good institute with a good reputation and a robust curriculum structure. It is almost at par with few of the IPM providing IIMs, There are few other colleges that provide IPM, like Nirma University, Nalsar Hyderabad and Tapni Manipal. Then there are colleges like Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies, which provide BBA plus MMS, that is a little different from MBA. बाकी के जो colleges हैं वो BBA plus MBA कराते हैं. Even IIM Indore doesn't provide BBA, वो BA कराते हैं. To be honest, ये जो डिग्रीज हैं इनमें बहुत ही थोड़ा अंतर है. वो इतना मैटर नहीं करता because at the end of the day तुम एक इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम कर रहे हो और तुम्हारी प्लेसमेंट्स कॉलेज की रैंकिंग, तुम्हारा एकेडमिक एंड एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर परफॉर्मेंस और वर्क एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से ही लगेगा. अच्छा मान लो, तो गॉड फॉरबिड, तुम्हारा इनमें से कहीं नहीं हुआ, yet due to certain personal choices you choose not to apply in these colleges. तो फिर क्या बचता है तुम्हारे पास? फिर बचते हैं UG एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स एंड BBA प्रोग्राम. BBA भी इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि अगर तुम्हें मैनेजमेंट प्रोफाइल चाहिए तो देन सबसे बढ़िया ऑप्शन तुम्हारे पास है CUET. तुम CUET देके इंडिया के टॉप UG कॉलेजेस में अप्लाई कर सकते हो, जैसे SRCC, LSR, Hindu, SSCBS, and you can even go for other degrees like BMS and BBE because they're very renowned courses. Another could be Symbiosis Deemed University. Symbiosis के सबसे अच्छा पॉइंट ये है कि उसके बहुत सारे कैंपसेस हैं, बहुत वेरीड कोर्सेज हैं, and it also has a good reputation in the market. Apart from this, you have Christ University also, which has a pretty good course and curriculum, but again वो integrated नहीं होएगा. अगर मैं तुम्हें एक पर्सनल सजेशन दूँ, then it is highly advisable for you to get in an integrated course rather than a normal undergrad course. उससे क्या होता है कि तुम्हारा प्रेजेंट दैट इज UG वो तो सिक्योर हो ही रहा है, बट तुम्हारा PG भी सिक्योर हो रहा है. तुम्हारे पास फ्यूचर के लिए हमेशा एक बैकअप ऑप्शन होगा, एंड आई थिंक एज अ स्टूडेंट इट प्रोवाइड्स यू विद अ लॉट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी रिगार्डिंग योर फ्यूचर. इसलिए कोशिश करो कि तुम्हारा IPMAT क्लियर हो जाए और तुम किसी बहुत बढ़िया से कॉलेज में जाओ, hopefully an IIM, so that your career gets a good boost and propulsion. Be very mindful of the undergrad course you choose because that will define the trajectory of your career. और अगर तुमने एक बार कोई डिग्री ज्वाइन कर ली, it will stay with you for 3 to 4 subsequent years, which is a very long time. So make sure you get your desired course and college so that undergrad becomes a smooth glide for you. All the very best, guys. If you're preparing for IPMAT and other BBA entrances, then do look at our offerings at www.myprepway.in. We have live and recorded courses for IPMAT 2025 and 26. Course content designed by your IPM seniors and taught by the best faculty. So go check it out.